guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class we will be learning how to make a relaxed turtleneck. If this sounds like what you want to learn, please watch to the end, and if you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a video you get to see the video. So let's dive into the class. So welcome back guys. These are the materials I will be using for this class. So this is my fabric that I will be using. So, and here's the collar stay I will be using also, and my tape rule. I will be using my tape rule for measurements, and my ruler. I end up not using this ruler. My pencil, the draft, and my scissors to cut. So the next thing we'll be doing is to bring out the collar stay, because we are going to draft on the collar stay first before taking it to the fabric. So the first thing I do is I folded my collar stay into two like this. You can see the collar stay is very rough, so I will just go ahead to pin it down so that it will stay in one place, okay, because of the roughness. I will just going to pin it at the edge here. So after pinning here, I'm still going to pin it at the down part so that it will give me what I want, okay. It will not be opening here and there, so I'm just going to pin it here like so, okay. So that's that guys. So the next thing we are going to do is to take our round measurement, our round neck measurement, and the round neck measurement I'm working with is 14 inches. So the 14 inches that I'm working with, I'm going to divide the 14 inches into 4. Okay, I'm going to divide the 14 inches into 4 like this. You can see me dividing my 14 inches into 4, and I have about 3.5 inches after dividing. So I'm going to mark my 3.5. I'm going to start at this point here. So I'm starting at this point. I'm going to place my 3.5 at this point here, and I'm going to mark it. I'm going to just rotate it like so. Let's assume we are going to cut 360 degree. So I'm just going to rotate it like so, still maintaining my 3.5 inches at that point. So I'm just going to mark it all around like so. So guys, after that, I'm just going to blend the lines, the dots. I'm just going to blend all the dots together like this. So that's that guys. So this is the line. So the next step we are going to take is the length of the collar, which is the length of the turtleneck, okay, the length. So I will be using 1 inches for my length, okay. I will be using 1 inches for my length. So I'm going to place the 1 inches at this mark here, and I'm going to follow the mark and just follow it and mark just like this. Just watch me carefully, and you see as I am doing it, I put the 1 inches at this mark here, and I just follow the line like so, okay. Just follow it like this. So after that, I just go ahead to connect all the dots together like so. I'm just going to connect all the dots. I'm just going to connect all the dots like this. So this is how it is after connecting. So the next step now, we are going to trim out the mark. I'm just going to trim them out, okay. Just according to the line we draw, I'm just going to trim. So this is what we have after trimming. So you can see how curvy it is. So this is what we have. So the next step now is to place it on my fabric. I'll just open up my fabric like this, and I'm going to place the shiny part at the wrong side of the fabric. Shiny part of the collar stay to the wrong side of the fabric. Then I'm just going to pin it down. I'm just going to use the pin to just hold it all around like so, just following the shape. I'll just follow my shape and I will pin it like this. So after pinning it like this, I'm just going to place it on the cloth and I'm just going to use my hot iron to just glue it together with the fabric like this. So this is me just trying to glue the collar stay to my fabric so that it will stay on the fabric, okay? So guys, after placing it, so after ironing it, so what I will do is to add my seam allowance. So I'm using half an inch for my seam allowance. So I'm just going to mark half an inch according to the shape like this. You can see me doing that. I'm just going to mark half an inch, and this half an inch will be my sewing allowance, okay? So I'm just going to rotate it that way. So I'm just going to just mark my half an inch all round like this, and this will be my sewing allowance like I said before. So this is me just trying to make it so round. So after connecting or mark my half an inch for my sewing allowance, I'm just going to connect all the dots together to form a line, okay? I'm going to form a line with it by connecting my dots together. So this is me just trying to connect all the dots together, okay, so that I can able to cut out easily. Guys, if you have watched up to this very moment and you have not liked this video, please like this video. Just comment on it. Just say anything. Just say anything. Just say anything on the comment section. I will be very, very happy. Guys, please, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post interesting video, you will get to see the video. Please just give this video a huge thumbs up. If this video has been helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up and just say anything on the comment section. Thank you. So guys, I've connected my lines like this and I'm going to cut according to the line, okay? Just going to cut according to the line I draw. Just going to cut the line. So guys, after cutting, this is how it is. Now I'm going to use this one to cut out the lining. So you can see the half an inch on the both sides. I'm going to use this one to cut the lining to turn it, okay? So guys, this is it. This is the lining. I will be using it to turn it to the other side. So I'm going to place the right side of the main fabric and the lining, the right side facing each other together. So I will just take it to my sewing machine. Let's do the sewing together. Okay, I'll just place it very well and let me take it to my sewing machine so that we can sew it together. Welcome back guys. So what I will be doing is to sew the edge. I'm going to place the two edges equally at the side and I'm going to put it on my machine and use the half an inch allowance to sew it. Just watch me. So I'll just sew it with the half an inch like this. Then when you get to the upper part, okay, I'm going to flip it to the side, which is the upper part, the upper part. I'm going to sew the upper part by half an inch too. I'm going to sew the half an inch that I marked the other time. That is what I'm stitching out now. That is my sewing allowance. So I'm going to sew it. Then please, one thing you need to know is to ensure that the two, they are very equal at the side and the front. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So get it to the other side. I'm just going to flip it to the other side, making sure that the two, they are very equal and they are balanced. So I'm going to just back stitch my stitching, and I'm going to just cut out my thread from my machine. Then after cutting, this is what we have. Okay, I'm just going to cut out some allowance from there. So guys, this is what we have. Let us go back to our table and do the remaining things there. So guys, welcome back here. Now we've already sewed it, and the next thing we are going to do is just to notch this part so that it will relax very well. Please notch so that when you are turning with your lining, it will relax very well at your neck parts, which is your neck region. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is me just trying to notch it all around like this. So guys, after notching, I'm just going to turn it over. So guys, after turning it to the other side, I'm just going to give it a very good press. So let's just get there. So this is it. I just sprinkle my water, or sprinkle my water on my collar like this. Then I'm just going to give it a very good press, and you can see our turtleneck is coming out beautiful. So this is me just trying to place water on it, and I'm just going to iron it so that it will be very much beautiful and reliable. I don't know, you can see it's nice, very beautiful guys. Just try this out and you will like it. Please guys, please just say anything on the comment section. I will be very happy. Thank you for growing up my channel. For those that have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment on my video, please. Then after ironing it, the next thing I'm doing is to just, for the down parts, I just fold in the half an inch. For the down part, I fold in the half an inch in like this. Okay, you can just see me what I'm doing. I'm just folding it in. So this is the main fabric that I'm doing. I'm just folding the half an inch in. Okay, I'm just folding the half inches in, and I'm giving it a good press so you can see it's relaxed, like it's relaxing like this. You can see what I'm saying. So that's that guys. So you just cover up the lining, and this is it. When you are sewing it, you can see, but I did not sew it, so I did not sew it. Okay, so this is how to go about your turtleneck. Okay, just try this pattern, it will come out very nicely for you. Please drop a comment for me on the comment section. I'm here waiting. Thank you very much, and I know you will say something. So let's just look for the final fitting on my mannequin. Let us see the final result on my mannequin, right? All right, let's go there. And here is the final result of what we just made. This is the final look of the turtleneck. You can see it's very beautiful. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get to see the video. Please just drop any sweet comments on the comment section. I'm here waiting for you. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in my next.